welcome back to my channel. I wanted to go ahead and do a 90s lip tutorial for you guys because this past weekend I went to a 90s birthday party and I did like a little look. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. And when I posted that, y'all, I swear that is probably like the most like compliments, love, support. They were just asking like, what is on your lips? Like, what is on your lips? So I want to go ahead and just do like a quick little video for you guys and show you guys how I, came up with this lip tutorial. Honestly, one of my favorites, and I just feel like it just looks so good. Okay, it just gives you like that 90s feel. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, what products I use, the steps, all that good stuff, you already know what to do. Okay, make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, and let's see how I got this look. So I am super excited for this lip tutorial because literally when I posted it this weekend, or this past weekend actually, it just got so many responses, so much love. I was like, okay, I wasn't even being serious, I was playing around. But I do have all the products that I use, for the 90s lip tutorial. Okay, so with that being said, you want to first start off with a very clean lip. I went ahead and removed all my lip balm. That way it's just bare and good to go. So first you're gonna need a black lip liner. I actually do have one from my brand Beauty by CHICHI. This is in the shade Risque, okay, because it is black and just perfect. So you're gonna take this and we're gonna line the lips like typical. Just go ahead and just line your outer lips, and that'll be the very first step. And this lip liner, y'all, is so pigmented, so you have to be careful. But I go ahead and just align the lips like normal. So it's gonna look just like this, and what I'm gonna do is take the same lip liner and just bring it in a little bit because we're gonna blend everything in a second. And then you're gonna grab a brush. I just have this one, and we're just gonna blend it in. The trick to 90s lips, y'all, is blending, okay? It's gonna be perfect at the end, but it does take a little bit of work. So I'm just feathering in the black liner like so. So next we're gonna take a Lure lip liner from my brand as well. It's like a very chocolatey color, and we're gonna take this and kind of line the inner portion of the lips. So basically just shading in the inner portion. And y'all see how I did that, right? Bringing the brown in the inner portion of the lips. Now this is where we're gonna start layering the lips itself. And I'm gonna grab the chocolate wasted liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors. So the reason why I do wanna go in with a liquid lipstick first is because you're gonna be eating and talking and moving around, and you don't wanna keep having to like layer your lips throughout the, night or morning, wherever you are. So we're gonna take this as like a base and just, line the inner portion of the lips. And then going in with the brush again, we're just gonna take this and just blend everything together. So at this part, you're probably like, it looks super dark, which is why I was like, okay, I need to bring that brown shade out as much as possible. So I'm gonna go in with the Mented lipstick in the shade Dark Night, which is like a chocolate lipstick. And we're gonna take this and just put it in the inner portion of the lips, like so. And y'all see how much more brown that looks? Yeah, that's what we need. But we do have that liquid lipstick underneath just to hold everything together. And then of course, we're gonna blend, okay? Blend, all right? So now we're gonna go ahead and add the most important shade in the middle of the lips. This is the Juvia's Place liquid lipstick in the shade Self Love. But before we do that, we're gonna take our, napkin or whatever you do have and just kind of clean the middle section up a bit. So taking this, just gonna wipe just a little bit. So now I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place liquid lipstick and we're gonna put this in the center of the lips, like so. and just mesh your lips together. So now this is what it looks like with the liquid lipstick in the middle, but to really just blend everything together to make it all look like one, you need a lip gloss. So I'm using the Pat McGrath Labs Flesh Fantasy Lust Gloss, if I can say that correctly. But it's more of like a pinky gloss, but it's kind of more on like the nude side. So as long as you have like a clear gloss or like a light brown gloss or anything like that, you should be fine. But this one, when I put it on top of everything, it was just like chef kiss. So we're gonna take this and just top off the entire lip. So this is the lip tutorial. What do you guys think about it? Let me know down below. I know when you're going through the process, it just seems a little bit crazy, but at the end, when you add the gloss, everything just comes together. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do try it out, let me know down below. Make sure to send me a DM on Instagram so I can see your looks. Just let me know somehow, okay, on any platform. So yeah, with that being said, make sure you go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.